Jolie is going to kick it off with 4 basics, and a basic is ball, step, step, ball, step, step, ball, step, step, ball, step, step. Everyone else, the other dancers, are going to join in with 4 more basics. Ball, step, ball, step, step, ball, step, step, ball, step, step. Then you'll do a syncopated. Ball, step, step, ball, step, 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 ball, step, step, step. The music will start, that's their cue to play, and you'll start your series of 4 basics and a syncopated, 4 basics and a syncopated. So it'll go. Then you're going to switch to your other pattern, which is 6 basics in your heels. So, the next tune will start after an AABB, and your pattern for this tune is going to be 2 basics into the heels and then a syncopated. So it will be and a 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. So you'll do that twice in a row just like we just did. Then it'll switch to your 3 stomps. So it's 2 basics. You'll do this 4 times. Then go back to your first pattern. A little faster. So that'll be your second tune. And then the last tune we decided is going to be 8 basics all together, and then it'll be a freestyle for 8 counts, starting down the line, and then it'll repeat. So 8 basics. Make that a solid ending and stop moving your feet after 8 counts so the soloist has full 8 counts. Then they'll dance 5, 6, 7, 8, all join in. Solo. Then you go back to basics. And the last time through we decided ought to be Shaylee solo, so she's only going to get 4 counts of her own. Then we'll all join in for 2 basics, 5, 6. On your last 2 counts, you'll go rock, step, scuff, switch, feet.